Hardening off young seedlings that have been grown inside will make or break their transplant success when you plant them outside. So they need to be hardened off for about a week. These are tomato and pepper seedlings that have gone out for their first day for about an hour in the shade. Light wind is okay. This is a blueberry plant that was overwintered and also needs to be hardened off, as do these strawberry plants that were overwintered. So they were brought inside, not much water, not much light, and now they're getting ready to go outside also. This is anise hyssop that was grown indoors and will go in the herb garden. And these plants are still waiting to get big enough to harden off. There are basil and squash and cucumbers. So just expose your young plants gradually to the outdoor elements before transplanting outside, and you'll be good to go.